Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create gift cards on Shopify and how to actually add a product as a gift card on your Shopify store. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your current store on your preferred browser. Now here, sign in and go down to products. Now inside products, you have a load of options to choose from. Here we have the gift card options, and inside the gift card options, you have three options: the add a gift card product and create a gift card. Now to create a gift card, it's very easy. Here we create the gift card, and it's very important to add the initial value, set a expiration date or not, and from here create a note. Now from there we press save, and this creates the gift card. Now it's very important to actually copy this code, because we can't see this code afterwards. If this code is gone, it's gone forever, and from there you can't see it anymore. Now here, this code is active for the current balance, and here you can actually see that if I leave this one and I go back to the active gift card right here, it changed, and now you can't see it anymore. And here you can see the initial balance and the current balance, and see if someone used it on your store. Now if you want to deactivate this gift card, simply check it, deactivate selected gift card, deactivate, and that should be it, as you can see right here. Now what if you want to add a product as a gift card, so friends can buy, so customers can buy certain gift cards for their friends, let's say. Now simply press add gift card as a product. Here, make a title, gift card 1, add a description, 10 for friends, add a simple photo, as you can see right here. And here you can make the denominations. Now let's say you want to change this option or add a simple option. Everything's possible, and here you can create it, simply save gift card product, and now you just made a product as a gift card, as you can see right here. Once you go to the products, here you see a product that has been added that has no inventory, because it's a digital product, and people can simply buy it and will automatically get this gift card sent to their mail. Now if you still got any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, this helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.